So yeah, this is a small video where you can see how beautiful the nature is. You can see the stream, the fog, the greenery, road, and of course, amazing roads. So yeah, this is a time where you can see a lot of greenery because right now it is a rainy season. And if you see, I've taken a video where you can see the roads that we have, the places, which is surrounded by fog. So yes, people say don't go to mountain when it rains, but if you come to mountains when it is a rainy season, trust me, the beauty that it holds during that particular time is amazing. So yeah, you can plan, but yes, safety is always something that we should always take care of. And yes, a small video showing you the beauty around, and do come, do visit Dharamshala.